In today's video, I will show you step by step how you can add a clock to Notion. Now, first of all, what we want to do is we want to head over to widgetbox.app, and then once you have created an account and you are on this page right here, all we simply need to do is go to the top bar here and select clocks. Once we do this, you've got two options right here. So you've got a retro clock and you've also got an analog clock. For me, I prefer the retro clock, so we click on create on the clock that you want. That will then bring you over to this page, and what we can do now is we can customize this and make it any color that we prefer. So what we can do now is we can go to the background. If we click on this, that will allow us to change the color of the background. So if I just make it sort of a blue color, for example, we can now go to the text. We can then change it to whatever we like. We can make the corners rounded, small, medium, or large. Once you've done that, you can go to clock type. You can choose 12-hour clock or 24-hour clock. So whichever you prefer, you can use. And then once we have done that, all we simply do is click on copy down in the bottom right hand corner. Once we do this, we now need to head back over to Notion. As you can see now, we are on Notion, and what we want to do is we want to click anywhere on the page, put in / and then embed. Once we do this, click on this one right here. That will then bring up this little URL box and paste in the link that we have just copied from the previous website. Now, once we do this, we can click on embed link. As you can see, it might take a couple of seconds, but once you have done that, you can go ahead and pretty much position this anywhere you like on your Notion page. Obviously, you want to customize it to blend in with the background of your Notion, whether you have dark mode or whether you have light mode. In my case, I would go ahead and prefer it on dark mode, so I would make the background of this the dark mode color. And what we can do then is we can pretty much position this wherever we like, and that's how easy it is to add a clock to a Notion page.